How y'all doing? Thanks a lot for tuning into Wicked Warnings. I do appreciate you watching. Remember, we're your #1 source for construction and emergency LED safety and strobe lighting equipment for your brand new trucks, vans, buses, SUVs, cars, bicycles, tricycles, everything in between. Especially beautiful new GMC Sierras, like this particular truck right here. I'll admit openly, if I was going to sell my Ford, this would be the replacement. It's a beautiful GMC Sierra 1500. What you're looking at right now is our Razor LED. Slides in the grill quite nicely right next to the GMC logo there, utilizing the factory or the included 90-degree brackets. You screw from the top down, so if you were to remove the lights, you won't have any real visible damage. Just a couple little screw holes tucked way back in the grill in the black portion, not the chrome. But again, mounted with the included brackets. I kind of like this look here with the parking lights on. You get a little bit of that C-ring GMC action, all in white there. Looks sharp. Now, of course, they're going to flash. They're going to strobe. That's what most of the stuff here at Wicked Warnings does. So what we set up here is a synchronized pattern. That means both lights are together in sync, and we did not flip-flop the color. We have both of the lights doing the exact same pattern, and then we synchronized them together. This is one of the more popular preferred patterns on the Razor light. It has a slower flash and then a quick flash right after it. Kind of changes speed a little bit. I like it a lot. Here's a little off-axis shot for you. I don't know if you picked up or not, but we also have a Baja light bar. We slid into the bottom portion of that grill. I do have a little bit of notes on that install, and if you want those brackets, we will be selling them, as well as the light bar. At the end of the video, you can watch the detailed portion about that light bar mounting. It's an S8 Baja Designs light bar with a driving combo in white. Very powerful light bar. As you can see, completely washes out the camera, but just an awesome light bar. I really like the fit in these GMC grills on that particular light bar as well. So here you can see everything off, just so you can get an idea what it looks like without the light on. Here's another everything off shot. Trying to include a little more into the videos. If you want anything specific, drop a comment. And let us know if you want to see more of this or more of that, or if you want me to shut up and just show the truck. I'll do that too. There's a nice shot. Kind of shows you how nice that light bar tucks in there. I like this location, both for the Razor and the light bar. Just works really well in this grill. There you can kind of see there the light bar and the lights. Hello. I usually end here showing you the switches, but I figured I'd show you right now how we have this one set up. Down the left side there, I got front lights, front scene, and searchlight. In the center bottom is your main power. And on the right side, I've got rear lights, rear scene, and amber. The amber is going to be running a backlighting that's not quite added quite yet. You can see here the searchlight. Front flash, you can see the flashing there in the background. Alright, of course, out the back, we couldn't let the front have all the fun. First thing you're going to notice underneath there is our LED tailgate strip. That's a red and white strip, works with the parking lights, the brake lights, as well as the reverse lights. You can see it does tie in. You have to wire that in to get the best result behind the tail light, but that is the effect that you'll get, is a nice bright white tie into your reverse. And underneath that, you can see our brand new Lin 8 LED, which is the exact same size as the Lin 6. It's just packed with 2 more LEDs and a new feature. Now, our classic Lin 6 LED is a 2-color light, but it's not a dual color. As you can see here, this light is completely displaying amber and white. It's a nice full color across the whole light of both colors. So you can get the alternation that you want with the color, the way the color flip-flops from side to side. We have several patterns, and the best thing about the brand new Lin 8 is the flood mode. Of course, we've integrated our popular flood mode into many of our lights, and in the previous Lin 6, the flood of a dual color would flood both colors. In the new Lin 8, as you can see, the flood overrides only the white, and the amber no longer is illuminated. When the flood mode is on, it'll work independently of warning. Doesn't matter if the warning is on or off. But if the warning is on, as you can see, the flood mode will certainly override that and give you a steady white only on that brand new Lin 8 light. Very cool feature of the Lin 8. First ones here on film. So just wanted to give you a little bit more detail on that light. And I love how it fits in those steps. It fits beautifully. I'm going to zoom in and show you here shortly. Now, one more thing I want to mention is my ISO, my light adjustment on the camera is on automatic, and these Lin 8 have been tinted here at Wicked Warnings. We do offer a tinting service for certain lights, so if that interests you and you'd like to have those lights smoked slightly, you can see the output does not change drastically. I will admit, any kind of smoking or tinting, you're going to lose a little bit of output, but as you can see, we're very happy with the results that we're getting with the new tinting we're using. And why would you want to tint a light, you might ask? In certain instances, specifically, like the step pockets of these GMCs and Chevys, where it's a dark surround, if you just put a slight little tint over the light, it really blends in and disappears. So as you can see with the light off, you can't even see the LED there. And this is what I mean. ISO light on the camera adjusted to normal. And the light right there in front of you can see has been slightly smoked. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to slide in a factory light that was not smoked. And you can now see the difference between a slightly tinted, slightly smoked light and a non-tinted. It really just disappears underneath there, especially in the right background. So if that interests you, of course, we have that available. And we can only do it on certain lights. So I'm not guaranteeing that for everything. But on this kind of light, ooh, does it work nice? I like it. And now I'll go ahead and throw the light on the camera so you can see. I'm not fibbing. There is a light in there for real. When I turn off my camera spotlight, it's gone. Alrighty. Thanks again for watching Wicked Warnings. Don't forget, we're your #1 source for construction and emergency safety and strobe lighting equipment. I hope you like this video. If you want to see anything special, let me know. See you on the next video.